This lesson is about implementing the top 12 formulas of Excel which are commonly used to implement any kind of logic and handle the logical and mathematical situations in Excel. So first formula is simple record counting. I want to count the records which are over here, so you can use following are the some records. I'm going to count these records, how many records are there. So you can write is equals count a, count any record, and just select this table. Okay, you can see this function returns mean that there are 7 records, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, justified. And second one is condition formatting. Now I want to count how many a letter are there, how many a letter are there. So I'm going to use count with condition. Count if and give range. Range is over this table, and then criteria, give criteria in inverted commas. I'm going to count a. Okay, then close parenthesis, press enter. It returns me that there are three letters of a. I'm going to increase this, that is going to become 4. I'm going to decrease this. You can see it's working dynamically and properly. And there is sum. I'm going to write over here some values, some random values. I'm going to count the sum of all these values. Just write sum and go to this and press enter. You can see over here that the sum is 31. I'm going to increase the size so that it is visible to us. Okay, I'm going to change this. You can see that it is changing properly. And now conditional sum. Now you can see over here, suppose these are the products, and I'm going to write over here the name of, suppose, salesman. I'm going to repeat these. Okay, I'm going to calculate the sum of each salesman. Now I'm going to write sum f. It is asking to me for range. I'm going to get this range, and then comma, and then it is asking for me the criteria. I'm going to write, I will mention the criteria on cell F and F6. I will write the criteria over here, and then sum range. Sum range you can select, this is our sum range. Okay, now I am going to write, you can see Sajid is giving me the complete sale of Sajid. I am going to write Amjad, it's giving me the complete sale of Amjad. Wajid, you can see we can calculate each of the salesperson sales. Okay, now